This channel is gearing up for a major return. Love Island USA is officially set to premiere on June 2nd, and Peacock is already building excitement for another season packed with romance, unexpected twists, dramatic recouplings, and unforgettable moments in Fiji. Fan-favorite host Ariana Madix will once again lead viewers through all the villa action. And that's not all. Peacock has also announced that Love Island, Beyond the Villa will arrive even earlier, with its second season launching on April 15th. Before we continue, don't forget to like and follow for more entertainment updates. Peacock confirmed that Season 8 of Love Island USA will debut at 9 p.m. Eastern and 6 p.m. Pacific. A brand new group of singles will head to the stunning Fijian villa, continuing the show's signature blend of sunshine, romance, and drama. Ariana Madix returns as host, providing a familiar face for fans after helping make the previous season one of the franchise's biggest successes. According to Peacock, Season 7 generated more than 18.4 billion minutes of viewing time and remained the top streaming original series in the United States for 6 consecutive weeks. But before new Islanders make their entrance, fans will get a chance to reconnect with familiar faces. Season 2 of Love Island, Beyond the Villa premieres on April 15th with a 2-episode launch, followed by 2 fresh episodes every Wednesday. The spin-off reunites many memorable contestants from Season 7, including Brian Arenales, Gressin Blackmore, Jeremiah Brown, Clark Carraway, Amaya Espinal, Hannah Fields, Pepe Garcia, Iris Kendall, TJ Palmer, Andreina Santos, Chris Seeley, Bella Walker, Coco Watson, Taylor Williams, Charlie Georgiou, and Austin Shepherd. The first teaser suggests that life outside the villa is every bit as dramatic as life inside it. Peacock says the cast will be adjusting to newfound popularity. Viewers can expect real-world relationship challenges, lingering tensions with former partners, and plenty of questions about whether connections formed in Fiji can survive beyond the show. The teaser also features a surprise appearance from Season 7 runner-up Nicholas van Steenberg, who is now in a relationship with Olandria Carthen. Together, these announcements send a clear message. Love Island is preparing for another huge year. With a brand new summer season on the horizon and a spin-off already hinting at unresolved drama, fans can look forward to everything they love about the franchise. More romance, more surprises, more emotional moments, and plenty of reasons to keep watching every episode.